Coffee is so much more than just getting a caffeine fix. It's a beverage that can connect people. It's a reason for you to meet up with a friend.
Honestly, everything changes. If your machine is not clean, it will affect the flavor of the coffee. So you will start getting like the burnt oils, bitter notes through, and that affects the end cup.
A clean machine will affect everything in the process of making a coffee. If your machine is dirty, you will 100% taste it in that cup. A clean machine will give the bean 100% of the respect it deserves, pull through everything that coffee is supposed to be.
Here, our passion is built on a consumer-first foundation. We want to ensure that a cup of coffee tastes as good as it smells. Clean equipment, a quality bean, and just paying attention to finer details make sure that every cup is great.
Cheers.